So from the last video I told you about we have to swap the gearbox and renew the tie rod set. Now today the one that comes first actually the renewing of the tie rod sets. So right now I'm going there and let's see how it goes. And the work begins. To be honest, I never felt any trouble with the steering. I only find out about that when I took Annika for a wheel realignment in Surabaya before our trip back to Jakarta, and the technician told me that I have to replace the tie rod set as soon as possible. For this repair, a friend of mine who is also a Volvo expert suggested me that I should go with a complete tie rod set from Miele. I've heard many good things about Miele parts for the older European cars, so I'm hoping this will serve Annika well for many years to come. Time will tell, of course, but I'm looking forward to seeing how they perform on our future road trips. And here are the old tie rods. They have been faithfully served this car for nearly 3 decades. More importantly, they carried our family through 2 long trips across Java, first to Surabaya and later to Surabaya again and Malang. With the new tie rod set now installed, one more important job is finally checked off the list. Hey guys, so right now we just done with the tie rod sets, and after that we're still working to balance the left and right, because actually my car is kind of slanted to the left if you look from the back, so that's why we are working on it now. Maybe you can see there, we're trying to figure out what's wrong, why it's slanted. While the mechanics were checking the rear suspension, we started to looking into what was causing Annika to lean slightly to the left. We did actually come to a conclusion, but that's for another video. What's important now is that the tie rod set has already replaced. If you're driving the same car as I do, I wonder, what would you choose for the brand if you have to replace your tie rod set? Let me know in the comment. So that's another entry to this diary, and the next one is the gearbox swap. So until then, God bless, drive safely, and thank you for watching.